Let's take a look at how we can do an animation preview in this video. Animation previews are extremely important. Whenever you are animating anything in your scene, you would want to do an animation preview from time to time, and especially before your final render, just to see the animation exactly how you want it to be. So in this case, I have a simple teapot with a noise modifier applied, which is animated, and a mesh bomb applied to that. So if I play this, you can see that the noise is taking effect, and right at frame 50, the mesh bomb is taking effect, but I can barely see that. You can see it just kind of pauses over there, and I see the mesh bomb for a second, the teapot exploding for like one frame, and it's gone. So I really can't visualize everything. And not only in this case, in every case you would have to do an animation preview. So the way to do that is go to Tools, Views, grab Viewport, create animated sequence file, a whole bunch of options over here. I'm just doing a percent output of 100%. By default it's at 50, which is 320 by 240, which is what your rendering output would be set to at 640 by 480, so it's 50% of that. Rendering level, shaded, you can see there's a whole bunch of things you can click over here. So I'm just going to take the defaults, custom range 0 to 100, AVI file, I'm okay with that. I don't have a camera, so perspective view. So I'm just simply going to say create. And you can see over here it's creating my preview. Now in this case, you can see the moment it reaches at 50, it's starting to slow down because it's trying to calculate all that whole blast that is happening. So I'm going to pause the video and reopen it once the preview is done, because we don't really need to watch just the bar going over here. So my preview is done over here, and I'm just going to put it down over here. And so here's my teapot, my media player is open, I'll just say play. And you can see it starts to do that and blast. So again, I was not able to see this properly in the view, and like I said, not only in this case, in every case you would want to do an animation preview. So this is how you do it, and it's really, really an important thing in your workflow.